Number 6, scribing or journaling. Write down your thoughts, your goals, reflection, para maklarify mo yung mind at matrack mo yung progress mo. Scribing or journaling is like a mix of visualization, reading, and affirmation. Bakit? Kasi sinusulat mo siya, binabasa mo siya, binibigkas mo siya, nai-imagine mo siya. Pero yung ginagawa ko is ganito. 3 things in 3 categories. So, first category ko is 3 things that I'm grateful for. San ako, 3 bagay na nagpapasalamat ako. Pangalawa, 3 things that I'm excited for. Tatlong bagay na excited akong mangyari today. And then pangatlo is 3 things that happened yesterday. So kung ano yung 3 bagay na nangyari kahapon, para ma-remind ko yung sarili ko na